I'm Jeff in Raleigh. Today we're going to talk about option packages for the 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE. I get this question a lot. People want to know how they can package their vehicles to get the accessories and the features and the options they want. I'm going to show you 3 different packages and show you how they can benefit you. You may need this in your research when looking to buy. The first thing I'm going to do is tell you about the 3 option packages. Then we'll do a little walk around so you can see interior features that are standard on an XLE, also exterior features, just to give you a little bit more tool in your tool belt. You know, we got to arm it with information and resources and things like that. So the 3 packages: convenience package, 2 very important options on that one, pretty practical. Then we've got a multimedia upgrade, the Audio Plus. And then we've got the weather package. So let's look at those. I got a joke for you today. There are 2 farmers. One's real competitive, the other not so much. They're trying to decide whose Canadian honkers are better than the other one. So one says, "Whose flock you think is better, yours or mine?" Farmer looks at him and says, "I don't know. Your geese is as good as mine." We'll start with convenience package because those are tangible things that you can see that add value. You may like them or you may say, "I don't need them." This car does not have it. Look at the tops of the cars here. No moonroof. Moonroof. So convenience package has power moonroof and the power liftgate or power tailgate. Do you need those? So here we go. If you want the convenience package, you'll be getting for $1,265 the height adjustable power liftgate and the power moonroof. So for the moonroof, would you like to see pollen hit your car and look like that on the outside? And would you like this? What a beautiful day, 72 and sunny in North Carolina. What's it like where you guys are? You could have that convenience package in the XLE interior, or we're taking a walk here. Look at this pollen, it's disgusting. I just can't wash every car that I film during March and April because it's gonna be like that right after. So, no moonroof. What do you think? Is that important to you? That's 50% of the equation, my friends. The other half of convenience package, this one doesn't have it, but it's gonna be the power liftgate. So this is how you open it normally. There's a little grippy, just pop that right there. Pop, pop, pop that thing. Just like that, and then we get all that storage room. But if you have your hands full, maybe it would be helpful to have a height adjustable power liftgate, wouldn't you say? Shut it, shut it, plane! Ooh, we gotta see this one. Holla! Safe travels, my friends. Now for this one, I've got my hands full because I loaded it up for my demo. I've got a stick and some bark. So if my hands are full, it's gonna be kind of hard to hit that, open it up on its own. So I'll use that power liftgate, and that way I can put my bark and my stick inside the RAV4, and I can also shut it. Oops. I can also shut it. Wait, I gotta put this down. Oh! Let's talk about why somebody would want to upgrade to Audio Plus. Traditionally, we're going to be getting standard on the XLE, a 7-inch screen. It's audio, Toyota's audio, okay? It does Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, Sirius XM. So it does all that. Now you bump up to an 8-inch touchscreen, integrated panoramic backup camera display with dynamic grid lines, anti-theft system with alarm, and your connected services. We got Service Connect, Remote Connect. Plane. See ya. Woo! This is the XLE, as you would see it standard from the factory. It has the 7-inch multimedia screen. Here's the backup camera. It's just fine. No problems in the least. And that's what it looks like when you're backing up, etc., etc., etc. Okay? And this is the upgraded 8-inch screen. Looks a little different here. Which one do you like better? Do you like the design, the layout, the size of the Audio Plus upgrade that you see here, or of the 7-inch one that we see right there? Now let's back it up. Back that car up. Back that car up. All right, so now look at it here. See that? Dynamic grid lines. And then if we want to change the orientation, we can change it that way. I like this. And then we can change this. Or we can change this. Or we can change it to this. Which system do you like better? The one without the extra lines or the one with? Look, Russ, no lines. That's from Vacation. One of the Vacation movies. I forget which one. Did you know that 94% of the views I get on my channel are from people who have not subscribed yet? Please help me out. I work hard on this. I would love your help. Hit subscribe. Add one more to my column and help me get to 100,000 people. Thank you for your help. For this next part, I'm going to show you what each of the option packages costs and talk about the weather package. I did not have a vehicle on the lot that has that weather package, but we can talk about it and you'll be able to tell what they are. XLE you can get in either front wheel drive or all wheel drive. Has multi-terrain select so you can choose different types of terrain. Has the start and stop and start engine system to save a little bit of fuel. Has its own series of benefits and drawbacks. Here we go. The wheels, the seating, has smart key. I like that it has a standard power driver seat too, and blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. Here are our packages. The weather package has a heated leather trim steering wheel, heated front seats, and rain sensing wipers with the de-icer function on it. Helps for colder climates for sure when it snows. That's $925. And then we saw those other ones. They're $1,265 and $990, but here's exactly what's in those. We're going to look at two different window stickers so you can see how your budget might be affected whether you get one of these option packages, 2 or 3. The XLE front wheel drive this one's made in Canada. Actually, they both are. All right. Here's the fuel mileage. 30 combined, up to 35 on the highway. This is standard equipment here. 203 horsepower. It's a pretty zippy car. I find it to be very smooth accelerating as well. This has Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, 8 different airbags, blind spot monitor, and rear cross traffic alert, remember. LED lights all over the place. Here's the standard. Remember, it's got a 7-inch touchscreen. Power driver seat is standard. Used to be a moonroof was standard on XLE, and the power driver seat was optional. So this one has a factory MSRP of $27,445. From the factory, it has no extra factory equipment on it. That's going to change on the next one. So we add delivery to the dealership, $28,620. This one has, from the regional assembly port where they finish it off, all-weather mats, all-weather cargo mat, LED interior light upgrade, and that puts it at $29,178. So let's come over here. See, this one has some factory equipment on it. Silver Sky Metallic. Which color do you like better, silver or gray? Silver and gray, silver and gray. I wonder if anybody knows that reference. It has the same equipment standard on it, so I'm just gonna let you stop the screen if you want to, but it's the same, it's identical. Here we go, $27,445. We've got the, let's move that over, convenience package, Audio Plus. So that's going to change our pricing. This one has $30,875. I think it's about $2,200 more. So it's got the all-weather mats package. It's got door protection, clear paint protection, and then the LED interior light package. I think that's a really good upgrade, especially if you don't want to do those changes yourself. $31,632 with the upgrades on it. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being part of the show. Thanks for joining my car-loving community. We learn together, we comment, we give our opinions together, and we have fun together. It's all about having fun. My girl wants to party all the time, party all the time, party all the time. She parties all the time. Eddie Murphy with the hit. All right, please follow me on Instagram at ToyotaJeff1 and Facebook at ToyotaJeff. And then I would love it if you hit subscribe and like and the notification bell. That helps me with YouTube's tricky and mysterious algorithm. It helps me be seen on more people's channels. It helps my video get noticed more. Thank you so much. So hit subscribe. I really appreciate that. And then you can find me on TikTok, ToyotaJeff2, and my website, toyotajeff.com. All right, everyone. Thank you guys so much. Catch you next time. Woo!